Imagine a world where your home adjusts to your mood, your garden waters itself, and machine talking to each other, all powered by a tiny yet mighty device. Welcome to the future of IoT with Raspberry Pi. And today we are diving into how Raspberry Pi transforming the IoT Internet of Things, that is IoT development, from smart homes to industrial automation. Welcome to a world where tiny device creates giant possibilities. In this video, we will unlock the incredible potential of Raspberry Pi in the Internet of Things. Let's get started. So, Raspberry Pi was mainly released in 2012, invented by Edwin Upton, the founder and inventor of Raspberry Pi organization. It operates in open source ecosystem. It is a single board computer. It means it is a single board. There is a in this single board there is a whole computer. It is also called as mini computer. It has quad core processor. Meet Raspberry Pi, the brain behind your smart systems. Compact powerhouse. It is small in size but powerful enough to control sensors, send data, even make decisions. It has a significant processing powers. It is very ideal for the space constrained IoT applications. Versatile connectivity. It is integrated with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and Ethernet, enables seamless communication. It can connect to the internet and other devices. Essential for data exchange in IoT. It also provides GPIO pins, that is the general purpose input output pins, which are key. They interface with sensors and actuators. It enables physical world interaction. It's perfect hub for your IoT universe. Wondering where Raspberry Pi fits into the real world? Here are four exciting use cases. First is home automation. It can control lights, thermostats, security systems, etc. It automates our daily routine for comfort, enhance energy efficiency at home. Second, environmental monitoring. It tracks temperature, humidity, air quality, etc. It collects the data, analyzes it. It is very suitable and useful for agriculture or weather stations. Fourth is security surveillance. Setting up a motion detection, getting real-time alerts. It ensures property safety. Fourth is industrial monitoring. It monitors the machine's performance and predict the machine's failure and reduce the downtime. From home comfort to factory efficiency, Pi does it all. So how Raspberry Pi powers IoT projects? Think of a Raspberry Pi as a multitasking controller. It collects data from sensors, processes it, communicates with the cloud, and activates actuators. It is the heart, brain, and nerve of your smart system. In all that in a one board, which is of a palm size. It collects sensors data, processes it, analyzes it, and stores that data in the cloud and controls the actuator to perform the actions. Choosing the right Raspberry Pi model is very crucial for our IoT projects. There are various types of Raspberry Pi. Currently, Raspberry Pi 5 is the new model of Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi 4B is very suitable and useful for high performance heavy tasks like edge computing with memory of 2, 4 or 8 GB. Raspberry Pi 0W is used for variables and compact systems. It has low power with memory of 512 MB. Raspberry Pi Pico is very small microcontroller and is very of low cost for ultra simple embedded setups, matching your model to your project needs for optimal results. Essential software for Raspberry Pi IoT. Now let's talk about software. Raspberry Pi OS is your development foundation. It can be installed from their site on the micro SD card and insert into micro SD card slot and configure it so it can work like same as your computer. Python is used, mostly Python is used for coding the Raspberry Pi because it is very easy to understand and program. It brings your code to life with its mass IoT libraries. MQTT ensures is a smart, lightweight communication between devices. Together, they make a Raspberry Pi a powerful developer's toolkit. Step by step IoT project workflow. Building an IoT project, follow these 5 practical steps roadmap. Define your project goal, what your project clearly want to do, and set up the hardware and wiring. Connect your Raspberry Pi to sensors, actuators as you are liking. Software development. Develop a code and run that code for data collection, implementing communication protocols, etc. Test everything thoroughly so that there are no errors. Identify them and fix them. It ensures reliable operation. Development and monitoring. Deploy the project, monitor its performance, collect feedback for improvement. Success starts with structure. Key takeaways and next step. Let's wrap it up. Start small, experiment and grow. Begin with small projects, gradually increase the complexity, build confidence and skill, leverage community. Tap into the global Raspberry Pi community. There are various forums which provide information. There are also sites which provide a step-by-step workflow of building your IoT projects with Raspberry Pi. Keep innovating and learning. IoT is your playground. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, Raspberry Pi empowers you to build the future. So that was all about Raspberry Pi, its working and the features of Raspberry Pi. If the video helped you spark your interest in IoT, give it a thumbs up, subscribe